to traditional steel rope, the Otis exclusively owned coated steel belt technology is 20% lighter and 2 to 3 times longer in terms of lifetime. 12 to 24 strand small steel ropes are coated by corrosion-proof polyurethane. No lubrication is required for the traction system. Otis' unique resistance-based inspection (RBI) device monitors coated steel belt status 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Any potential issue of coated steel belt, such as wearing or steel cord broken, will be real-time monitored to ensure the elevator is always safe. With Otis belt technology, machine sheave diameter can be reduced to 100 to 115 millimeters. With greater contact interface, the transmission efficiency can be improved by more than 50%. The machine size is significantly reduced. Comparing to conventional rope machine, elevator system is able to be arranged by a more compact manner. The building space can be saved from elevator construction. This reduction can increase actual usable space for property owner. Sealed bearing requires no lubrication, therefore hardly causes any pollution. Otis GeN2 elevator is an ideal combination of Otis belt technology and Otis permanent magnet machine. Since it was released in year 2000, more than 175,000 units of GeN2 elevator have been sold in 75 countries and regions worldwide. Now Shizi Otis incorporated another Otis world-class innovative technology into GeN2 elevator. We call her GeN2-Regen. The Otis innovative technology is Otis Energy Regenerative Technology, which is also called Regen technology. When elevator car is moving down with heavy load or moving up with light load, Otis Regen technology can convert the reduced system potential energy to electricity energy. Otis Regen technology can also filter the regenerated electricity energy and make it clean enough to be reused. The regenerated electricity, together with electricity from public grid, is supplied to power users in the building. Day after day, a considerable amount of energy can be saved.